So for this particular 16 counts, which actually is going to come after the next 32 counts that we learned. Watch. You're going to go 1, 2. And try to keep this as flat as possible. So we're just going to practice 2. Keep it flat in front. 2. And it's not going to rotate or spin or anything. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I said, this is very like movement things. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is right. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then open up so you're flat. 7, 8. Then we'll go back over 9, 10, palm up. 11, 12. You have to flip quickly. Then we're going to do just like a double on a ripple. So it'll be A, B, C, D. Or probably A, B, C. We'll catch it by 16. There's also one whole set that's just a ripple or triple. So that's another 16.
I've never done that. Double up and down.
What? That's all we ever do are doubles. Or things on the left. All right, so you're going to toss it up. 1, 2. It's not going to go crazy high. You can go to slow. But you don't want to just like go up and catch it. Let it kind of fall. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, open 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we'll make the flip to your right hand 11, flip 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Ripple. One more time. We'll go to the previous sets and then do this. Okay, so you're going to toss 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, open 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Do we have that? Okay, look, since you have that, do you have it? So there you're the steel trap. There's A-B work. So A is going to do 16 counts, B is going to do 16 counts, and then we reverse it. So there's 2 different layers. The first layer, so A, if you want to consider that, is 1, 2, turn 3, 4 to the front, 5, you're going to carve it around 5, 6, 7, and 8. The strap is going to be on your finger side. So you can do a flat. Okay? One more time. So we're here. 1, 2, and you're going to keep it up in the air. Turn 3, 4, keep your body lined up with your nose. And then you're going to carve it 5, 6, kind of like we're doing a toaster. 5, 6, 7, and 8. You've got to flip your right hand to be flat with the bolt to your face. The bolt's going to be to your face. Other way. The bolt. Flip it 180 degrees. Yeah. Okay, straps at your fingers, bolts it. That's the bolt. So you're going to do a flat toss. 9 and 10, we'll go take a double. If we have to do a single double. A double. Yes, so that's a single. Do you want to do a lofty single or a fuzzy double? You can just do a lofty single for now. We'll work our way out. Just try not to reach up and catch it. 5, 10. Yeah, so this is all A's are doing the exact same thing for 16 counts. And then B's will do what A's just did for 16 counts. So we just did 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm just remembering this 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then when you catch it, quickly flip your left hand under on the nose. 11, grab over on 12. You're going to do large. 13, 14, 15, 16. That's not right. 13, 14 is right. Something happened. Just do that. Something happened in translation. So you catch your toss. Pretend like you catch it. 10, 11, 12, grab over. So 13, swoop up 13, you're 14 in back. Catch 15, just turn it front. This one is supposed to be tall and large, and the other one is like low. So half are low, half are high, and So that set again. 1, 2, 3, and 4 are 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Healthy. Flip 11, grab over. 13, 14, hit 15, turn 16. Questions?
Yeah, so you come up over here.
Yeah, and then hit it. Catch. Yeah, you have it. There you go. Sweep. Hit. Turn. That's 15. It'll be on the track. So one more time. And we'll do the other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and shoulder. 9 and back 10. 11 and 12. So take 13, 14, hit 15, turn 16. And it's just one fluid thing. I'm trying not to do a lot of complicated hand passes back and forth so we can use my finger. Do I move on or do that one more time? Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12, 14, 15, 16. I think a single's going to work better. Just because it's awkward to go to change questions. There's no problem. Okay. One more? One more?
Yep.
Okay. 5, same thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And if we make that turn predominantly with our left foot, we should step 16 with the right and be on the correct. Yeah. It bothers me. Like I lay awake at night. So the next set, which may be your first one, is 1, 2, 3, 4. We did that last time. You're just going to grab it with your thumb on top and then pull it out 5, 6, 7, 8. This is low to the ground. So what you don't want to do is this. Just keep it low, flourish. 5, 6, 7, back. So you're going to go into a backhand. And you pull it out all the way. So you're here. 5, 6, 7, back. 8, 9, and 10. You're going to do a little sit. 9 and 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 14. Why am I missing something else? Oh, there's a turn there. Okay. 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That should get us to all be in right flat. Okay, so that one more time. This is so cool. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just going to catch it under. 5, 6, 7, back hand. 9 and 10. 11 and 12, which is the bottom stir. You're going to open it up. 13, 14, 15, 16. Your hand is flat. Yeah, no, that's what this is. Like, this should be really fast motion. Because it's not a lot of likes that we suck at. So, one more time. I like it. Yeah. Okay, here we go. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, backhand. 9 and 10, 11 and 12. Open, 14, 15, 16. So, what we do now, after B's finish and A's finish, the first one, B's finish, whatever, then this set comes in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we have 3 sets of 16 plus one of those sets for the A work is going to repeat. So there's a lot right there. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sets of 16 plus the 12. So it's halfway. I know. Yeah, this is a short one, and I repeat shit. So do we want to try A, B, or just do all one set and all the other, and then we can figure out who wants to do which half.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you want to start? Let's start high and then low. So we're going to do 1, 2. We'll walk through this. 3. Do we want to flex our hands so we have some continuity? Does that move kind of repeat? I think we should. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cross 9, 10. 11 and 12. 13, 14, hit 15. In theory, we should be stepping 16. We'll do the footwork. From there, the low one is you should be able to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12, open 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're going to sit on that. 6, turn 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, doubles on a ripple, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's what that's. Okay, so those 3 sets one more time. We'll just keep running this like that for a few minutes. I kind of like the tall set better than the lower set, so maybe we'll repeat that one. Just so we already know it. Okay, here we go. Those 3 from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back hand. 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Are you getting this? Okay. Are we recording it?
Yeah.
It's only in my brain.
Yeah.
And on YouTube. Private channel.
Your private channel.
I'm like, a little thing.
I wish. I can have some money.
That is like you
I
think
can
about
hear it. See, we don't have to know.
Ooh.
Let's see cash before. Okay. Do you have this?
Yeah.
Will you run it with them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back 10, 6, 9, 13, 14, 15, 16 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. Yeah,
Thank you for telling my voice.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah! I was like, what? Yeah. Here. No. Shit, okay. Here. Back in. Oh, yeah!
And that first one is the slide, right?
Yep, this first one.
Yeah, I need to. Show me the first one. Yeah.
The slide part.
Yeah. 1, 2. Turn 3 and 4. You're going to rotate 180 degrees. So you're still in your toaster. 5, 6, 7. And when you get down here on 7, it's easier to go ahead and put some weight in your left hand so you can flip it from right.
Oh.
That's what I've been screwing up on. I remember thinking this, you got to use your left hand to help guide it because you're changing trajectory.
Yeah.
It's weird, but it kind of fits. So now it's much more soft, and you're less likely to walk.
And
So, yeah. So 1, 2.